Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina if you're new here. In today's video, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. So we're in the midst of a bathroom renovation and I thought it would be fun to sort of share with you guys our process, the before and after and all that good stuff. We literally just started the work this week, so not much has been done, so I kind of want to show you the before. We've lived in our place for like 2 years now and it's like super old building. It's like 120 years old, and when we moved in we did basically like a complete gut renovation, which unfortunately was before my YouTube days, so I didn't get any of that on video. But I do have some blog posts that I put together that I will link to that you can check out, like our kitchen renovation and our master bath. I figured I would show you guys sort of our process here, where things stand. We've been putting off this guest bathroom renovation for some time because we weren't quite sure what we wanted to do. And we kind of wanted to save some money for it, and we decided not to do like a full renovation, but just make some small tweaks here and there to make it look slightly better. So let's go check it out. Let's see what it looks like now. So there's shit everywhere right now. This is the shower situation, so you can see the tile is from floor to ceiling. We're gonna keep the shower door just because it's custom made and it would be a ton of money to replace. So I'm gonna keep everything there as is. The floor here is like a pan, which I hate, but it's like too much of a pain to address it because it would require us ordering a new door and all that good stuff. So we're just gonna keep that as is. The things that we're gonna change here with the shower, we are going to adjust the hardware. So we're going for black hardware in this bathroom. Here's the paint situation. It's like a brown. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but we're obviously gonna repaint. And we were thinking about, since this is the guest bathroom, we were thinking about putting up like a little shelving unit here or something for towel storage. And over here we have a jacuzzi situation, or tub jacuzzi, which we're gonna keep as is. Over here we have our vanity situation. I hate this vanity. I think it's heinous and I can't wait to get rid of it. This is going. So we're gonna get a new vanity, potentially from IKEA. So we're going to IKEA tonight to see what they have. In terms of the mirror, we're going to replace this one with like a circular hanging mirrors, and then we'll probably do like 2 lights on the side of the circular mirror. That's kind of our before situation here. Super pumped about what this is going to look like. So our first bathroom stop. We are in CB2 right now, trying to find a mirror and bathroom accessories. So we'll see what we got here.
I think it's too small.
I think it is. I kind of like that light on top. So here's what I was thinking, by the way. For the towel, remember you were saying the towel rack by the sink, you can put something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And it looks nice.
Yeah, that's a nice color for holder too.
And some of marble.
Yeah, but it's not black hardware.
So what?
Isn't that an issue?
No.
I kind of like this one better. Like this one, just because it doesn't have the hanging thing.
Yeah. Black looks really good against it.
It does.
See?
I like all of the accessories. Although the trash bin I don't know about because it doesn't have a cover.
Oh, it doesn't?
I don't think so.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I hate that. But I do like this toilet brush. We are still on the fence in terms of which mirror we're gonna get. At least I'm on the fence. Leo seems pretty sold on the circular mirror we saw at CB2. Now we are headed into IKEA to check out vanities and shelving units and just some other house shit that we may need. Here we go. This is a cabinet, but it would be in that walnut color. Okay.
So it's got,
oh my god, it's so reasonable.
Yeah.
Not too much counter space, but...
The other option would be this.
Oh, I kind of like that one.
You like it better?
Yeah.
You do?
But the sink is smaller, which kind of gives you a little bit more counter space. This is kind of like a circular shape, right? Do you think that you think that, yeah, I like this piece of this though.
What?
This little mini backsplash. I think it's good. Maybe we keep the top drawer empty so that people could put their stuff in there.
What stuff?
Like their toiletries and, you know. So we picked out our bathroom vanity. Hopefully it matches. How do we feel about the vanity?
Checkout's located on the first floor.
Silence.
Have a great evening.
Fingers crossed it matches. It's brown, which could work or could fail horribly. So TBD. Do you think it's gonna work, Leo?
I'm gonna get you a tiny bed from the kids' department.
Am I getting booted? So we're at the point now where we're picking paint colors, and there were a ton of samples that we checked out earlier. We narrowed it down from 7 to 2. First one up there is kind of like a purplish gray. I think it's called elephant gray. And then the second one is more of like a frosty, like blue color. Trying to figure out what would look best with this color tile, because we're not swapping out the tile. And it's not really our favorite color. My vote was the first one. Leo's is the second color. Update on the bathroom paint situation. We backtracked and ended up deciding to do more of like a neutral situation. But we wanted to like make the tile look a little less dated and like have it pop a little bit with like a statement color. We found that doing a statement color makes it look like way too 90s. As you can see, we did lots of samples today. The one that we end up going with, or that we just decided on, is this one here, which is kind of like it's a gray, but it's got like a beige tone to it. It looks really nice against the tile. You could see we messed around with some like greenish tone grays, some like purplish mauve-y type tones, and some blues. This is kind of like a grayish beige, but it has like a little bit of like a greenish tint to it that pairs really nicely with the tile. Our bathroom is finally done. We're officially done with home renovations. Thank the Lord, because it's exhausting. And I wanted to give you guys a little bathroom tour. As you saw the before, and I wanted to sort of talk through some of the changes that we made and all the goodies that we bought. Are you ready to see it? It's pretty good. Woo, it already looks better, doesn't it? Let me talk through the vanity first. We wanted to do more of like a modern feel and get a smaller vanity. If you guys remember, the one that was in here before was massive and super dated. So we went with this floating vanity, smaller, and funny enough, it fits just the same amount of shit as the other massive one did. This one is actually from IKEA, so we saved on the vanity. Really beautiful walnut brown color that goes really, really nicely with this tile. So if you guys wanna get a sneak peek, it has these little organizers inside. And what I always do for guest bathrooms, make sure there is some extra toilet paper. And I also have this little basket of like all the shit that I take from various hotels, like all these little shampoo and conditioner bottles. There are extra toothbrushes in here with toothpaste. If anybody ever forgets anything, they can just jump into the drawer and grab whatever they need. If you see the bottom as well, there's a ton of space here, and I love that it's soft close. And then here we've gotten these adorable black matte accessories. These are from CB2. I'll be sure to link to all the stuff that we got in the details of the video. We swapped, as I mentioned before, all of the hardware in the bathroom to black, just to give it a more modern feel. And we're actually working on swapping out these handles as well, just to get a black matte version. But these aren't all that terrible. They work for now. Yes, the mirror I love, love, love. I was wanting to get a circle mirror forever. I wanted at least one circle mirror in our house and figured this would be the perfect bathroom to drop it in. This is a circle black matte mirror. This is actually also from CB2, and it's just like really, really nice quality. It's a little smaller than I would have liked, but it totally works. I think it fits really nicely in this space. We paired it with these like modern black matte lights, something fairly simple, but still kind of give a little bit of a statement and a modern feel. Obviously, we added some additional accessories. We needed like a little towel holder. This is actually, I believe, also from CB2. And then we got these fun little hand towels from CB2 as well. Obviously, you could tell we fucking love CB2. So that is the vanity situation. Over in the tub area, we kept all of this the same. The only change is, again, the hardware. Because this tub is kind of old, we would have had to replace like all of the valves in order to get hardware that matched up with this tub. So we ended up spray painting the previously chrome hardware into matte black, and it totally worked out. It does chip and you have to touch it up every so often, so kind of a drawback, but definitely saved us some money and, you know, saved us time, because otherwise we would have had to like essentially rip out all this tiling here and fix the valves and all that. It would have been a pain in the ass. In the shower, we changed the shower head, got a black matte one. This one is from Speakman. It's awesome. We have it in our master bath as well. Water pressure is great. Love how it looks. It's like very simple, clean, yet modern. We also added this second shower head, which actually plugs into the main one to allow for this like hand shower head that you can use if you want to just do like a quick body wash or rinse off. And then this little bar here to hold on to. Really love how this looks. And then we swapped out the little drain cover here for a black matte one. So another thing we added, knowing this is a guest bathroom, it's nice to just have towels and everything you need ready to go, because we have guests visit fairly often. So we installed this like really nice towel rack. I can't remember where we got it from, but I'll be sure to find it and link to it below. Super simple, fairly small, but it does the trick. Definitely allows for some storage there. For the toilet situation, we have a little Kleenex box, also from CB2. We installed this like fancy bidet toilet seat that allows you to heat it. It basically rinses your ass. It's super nice. We actually have one of these upstairs in our master bath, and it's kind of amazing. It also has a seat warmer, which is potentially like my favorite feature. Everyone that has stayed in our place so far has commented on the toilet seat. There are various brands that make these. This one's by Brundell, but there is one by Toto as well. I think that's like the fancy one. Hi. Lastly, we painted, which I think made a huge difference. If you guys scan back earlier in this video, you'll see that the color was kind of like this dark, like olive green color. It was just like super dated, very 90s, early 2000s. And we swapped it for this beautiful color by Benjamin Moore. We're on the fence between like this like lavendery tone or like a green based type gray, but I'm really happy that we ended up going with this like simple creamy gray color, because it just looks awesome with the tile and kind of gives it a new life and makes it look like brand new, like this was all intentional. And that's our bathroom reno. Hopefully you guys like it. I'm pumped that we're done with renovations because it's fucking exhausting. I think it looks awesome, and I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. Hopefully you like this video. You got a little sneak peek into how we renovate rooms in our place. If you guys are into this, I'd be more than happy to show you guys little tours of our place or other rooms in the house. Drop me a comment if there's anything you want to see in particular. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'll chat with you guys soon. Bye.